In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from an image completely for free. Now, the website which we're going to be using is called Clipdrop.co. Now, if we scroll through this website, they actually have a lot of other tools. As we can see just here, they have Uncrop, Reimagine, Stable Doodle, Cleanup, the Remove Background, which we are going to use, and many more. Now, you can use this website completely for free. Now, what I am going to do is link this down in the description as well, so it's a little bit easier for you to come and check out. But once that you have an image where you want to remove the background, you want to take your image, just drag and drop onto the home page like this. Then we just want to click on Remove Background. It's going to take a few seconds, it's going to do its thing and just remove everything from the background. Now, with Clipdrop.co, I have personally found that this is one of the best background removers online, which is actually free. Now, once that it's actually removed the background for you, we have a few different options. If we click up here where this icon is, we can see what the image looked like before the background was removed by clicking and unclicking. Then we have a few edit options. Now, I believe that most of these options are for a paid account, but once you have your image, once you've had the background removed, we click to download, and now we have our image like this with the background removed. And it does a really good job at images with lots of detail. So with this one, we can see with the little bits of hair, it's actually done a fantastic job. Now, like I said, this is completely free to use, and I will leave a link for this down in the description below. So that's how you can remove the background of an image completely for free. Now, if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this video.